All right, let's talk about the answer. First of all, you enter an input line for name asking your name. I'll do this quickly. Then we ask, what is your age? And now we print your name is whatever it is and your age is whatever it is. I'll do this in high-speed mode. And let's run it. What is your name? Chris. What is your age? There we go. It says your name and your age. Pretty easy to do. And remember, you don't have to convert these from integer to string because it's already in string because you have them in quotes here. However, if you wanted the user to enter in a number and then you do a calculation with it, you will have it as an integer, for example, and then before putting it in the print line when you're concatenating, you're going to have to change it back to a string right here.
Okay, a short break. You already know that you can use input to get user input back to the program. But whenever somebody types, for example, age, let's say 44, and we type check the age, it's always going to be string. So if you want, for example, to check if somebody is over age of 18 and let them use some parts of your program, you really can't do that with this. So we already know how casting works, transferring from one type to another. And that's where casting actually comes into play. Now that we have this age, one way to do that is basically age equal to int of age. And then we're going to check that, for example, like this, type of age, and now it's integer. The other way to do that is I'll use integer around input. Here, for example, int of input, and let's test it again. So 44, and immediately this age will have the type of int. So that's where the casting that we learned before comes actually into play when we work with much more sophisticated Python programs. Okay, back to the program.